Here's the story. Brando, who was living with his wife and only son. Instead of mistress, the coffee maker, and Brando dad and mom. And they lived together as a happy family, who would steal with sorts of perks and wait for lunch. They became one of the best friend families. No one was next proud with a Brando Bunch. The Brando Bunch. The Brando Bunch. Get out the way when you see the Brando Bunch.
Oh, my son, where have you been? I've been so worried. Come here, give Papa a hug. Come here, come here. Oh, wait, we're Italian. Now, only want to know what's known as Third of Jules. Greatest hit CD.
No, you baboon! My jewels! My precious jewels!
The Jews? We are having to protect them from the Nazis.
No, you also baboon! My jewels! You are getting deaf in your old age!
Dead? She wishes me dead? And my own sister at my age?
Anyway, I was paying a visit to the Trapelli house.
Ah, a betrayal. How could you do this to me? On this holy day I've taken off to extend my Easter holiday.
Hey. It ain't like that. No, actually, no, it is. Exactly. Hey, let it go. Yeah, this one right here.
Trapelli!
Don Brando, your son and I are engaged. I'm a girlfriend.
Oh, that's good too. That's good.
It brings me great happiness, but also much confusion. My boy disappears and he returns a man. Come here. What else can one day bring?
Where are you?
Trapelli!
Brando. Mrs. Brando, it's been years, but I see your loveliness remains. Portanesca, Horace as always. Even this coffee maker, so fine and percolatory.
Press 1 for more options. You press 3, dance party.
Whatever will the Japanese think of next?
Do you remember my right-hand man, Penchamondo?
Oh, I thought he was your wife's lover.
Don Trapelli, it's a pleasure to meet you and your lovely daughter again.
Oh.
I always dreamt this day would come, but in my dream, you were a hideous squid monster.
Oh, excuse him. He hasn't been the same since his ex-wife fell into a coma, and he mistook me for her, and we had an accidental affair.
Accidental?
Not now. See, I'd been temporarily blinded that week, and I didn't realize that he wasn't my husband. But, you know, what can you do? We're only human.
Only human.
Percolate all humans.
Can we get you anything? Coffee, biscuits, sexual favors?
What is wrong with you? You are too skinny! Eat something! Eat!
I'm a pasta. Eat!
It's moving around.
She doesn't want any of your bottled sauce.
How dare you!
I see your family is vivacious as ever, Don Brando.
Am I vivacious enough for you?
Honey, you're vivacious enough for a whole football team. Bisexuals.
Honey, Don. You're giving me the sexual indigestion.
Oh, am I? Kids! Just in case you do get married, let's make a list of everyone we've ever met or made eye
this blossoming relationship between our two children is, well, giving us an opportunity to address certain issues.
If you are referring to my favorite ceramic dish that you so carelessly broke, you should know I no longer care about that. Some things are more important than crockery.
Just as I no longer care about the fact that you stole that dish from me in the first place.
Of course, and I would apologize if it had happened that way.
It was my favorite dish.
Yeah? Well, plates just don't run off, and they'll talk to you for months.
I'm sorry, guys. I didn't know.
Oh, Giorgio, your jacket's a very powerful shade of black.
Oh,
Very nice.
well, thank you for noticing. Yeah, Maria picked it out. She is an eye for the darkness and things. She's been making wonderful progress with the kids. Only the other day, Alfredo made his sister a sandwich she couldn't refuse.
Wonders, what is the name of this mysteriously effective governess?
Oh, her name is Maria Vendetta.
Maria who?
Maria Vendetta.
Vendetta. Vendetta. You mean the vendettas who you...
Yes, I'm Vendetta.
Oh, wowee. Does she know?
I don't know. I mean, I only found her to say name this afternoon.
Well, what are you going to do about
I
it?
don't know. I mean, she's been doing such wonderful things with the kids, and if I tell her, I might wake up one morning to find her gone.
Relax. You're just a kid at the time. You're just following orders. And again, those vendettas are pretty freaking crazy.
Anyway, that's not the reason I came to talk to you. Look, we've been approached by the police, and I heard something similar happen to you.
Oh, gee, did I you too?
Yeah?
Just last week, I found them hassling Kopanetska for some information. And I found her giving it to them. Not the information, luckily.
It makes no sense that this is happening now. I mean, we made sure the police were in our pocket.
Must be a rogue group. Poorly trained and underpaid. You can never trust the public sector.
I don't know if this will help, but we found this at the scene of the crime. Well, I say crime.
Jeanette! What? Shut up! Get out of here! Bring that paper Popanescu gave you.
Here it is. Putanesca's test results. She's all clean. Huh.
That's not what I meant. I meant the other paper, but that's also good to know. Oh, that's why I didn't find it, huh?
Yeah, that's exactly why you didn't find it out.
Don't stand for it.
Pick it up.
I'm not standing for it.
Anyway, so
You
interesting.
can't tell us to shut up.
They're right.
Who was that?
Who was that?
Stand up.
Wait. Right. Don't worry, I'll Charlie sends her something for the show. Don't worry. Have a pleasant evening. This.
Very interesting.
This.
Yeah.
I think you'll agree it's time to call the meeting of the 5 families.
I'll get on it. Jeanette! What? Shut up! Get on the phone, Trey!
Fine! But you know my espionage training only extends to listening at doorways and rifling. Laundry.
Laundry, that'd be nice, huh?
Shut up!
Get on another Trey!
Kill yourself!
I love you too! I adore that woman. Calling a meeting's all well and good, but we're gonna get the...
I think Maria can help out in the public sector.
Oh yeah, she's got that vendetta charm.
It is so.